Good Wednesday, everyone. I hope your week is going well, and I hope you're staying warm because my goodness, it's cold. Looking at yesterday's weather statistics, we only had a high temperature yesterday of 46 degrees. That was at 1:54 in the afternoon. Had an overnight low of 36. That occurred just before midnight last night. A far cry from both our records, highs of 74 and the record low of 10. We had about 0.43 inches of rain yesterday, just shy of half an inch. And then the highest wind gust was 22 miles per hour from the west. Normals for today are 56 and 35. We're pretty far from those. We're closer to our normal low for a high temperature today. Record high is 73. Record low is 20. Looking at the daily weather map for today, lots of wintry weather across New England, freezing rain, sleet, snow, and then you get all kinds of snowflakes flying across the northern plains, upper Midwest. South Bend, Indiana, I noticed this morning, it's just a couple of counties right there in northwest Indiana, just on the other side of Chicago from the lake, under a winter storm warning for up to a foot of snow because of a persistent lake effect snow band that just will not move. It just keeps dropping snow on them, so they're having an interesting morning, that is for sure. So the rest of the country, the southern tier of the U.S. looks pretty quiet today. Looking at the snow depth across the country, this just keeps getting more, the snow just keeps spreading out even more. So we're seeing a lot more of that going on with this extended cold snap. It's a bit of an unusual cold snap that we're having in November. Looking at our 5-day forecast, speaking of cold, my goodness, it highs only in the 30s for the most part every day. We might touch 40 on Friday. And then look at that, it gets even colder on the weekend. As soon as Sunday gets here, another cold front blows through Saturday night, maybe a few clouds, and then highs only around 33 degrees on Sunday. So we may not get above freezing on Sunday. This is more like a 5-day outlook I would issue in January or February. I do want to mention, though, we do have a chance for some flurries today, maybe a snow shower, have a chance for a flurry or a snow shower tonight as well. So don't be surprised if you see a few of those flakes flying around. On this day in 1955, a strong cold front blew through and dropped our temperature 44 degrees. We went from a daytime high of 69 and we dropped to 25 after the front went through. What an incredible event that must have been. In 1959, the most severe November cold wave in U.S. history was in progress. A weather station in Lincoln, Montana recorded 53 degrees below zero. Now, you know, that's cold in January or February, but that established an all-time record low for the entire country for the month of November. Their high that day was only 1 degree above zero. So we can always be colder than what we are. But you folks stay warm today. Stay bundled up. I wish I could say we would have some sunshine to help warm us up a little bit, but these clouds are going to be very pesky. They're just not going to want to leave. But you folks have a wonderful day and keep looking out for even more weather information. Check out your midweek weather update in the blog. It's all fresh and updated this morning. Just check that out at meteorologistsmart.com.